Looking for reliable, precise heating in your lab without stretching your budget? Meet the refurbished OVAN MCH300E hot plate from Galileo Scientific. This compact powerhouse delivers 500 watts of heating power with temperatures ranging from 20 to 300 degrees Celsius. You'll get spot-on control with a fine 0.5 degree resolution and plus 1 degree Celsius accuracy, perfect for those sensitive experiments. The aluminum alloy plate is 154 millimeters wide, giving you a stable, uniform heating surface. And with IP52 protection, it's built to handle everyday splashes and dust in a busy lab. Need added precision? It's compatible with an external 100 temperature sensor. Plus, the adjustable timer runs anywhere from 0 to 120 minutes, giving you flexibility and peace of mind. At just 4 kilograms and with a space-saving footprint, it's easy to fit into any lab setup. Best part? It's been fully reviewed, reconditioned and serviced by our experts at Galileo Scientific, so you get top-tier performance at a fraction of the cost. Refurbished never looked so reliable. The OVAN MCH300E, precision, value and peace of mind.